Hey everyone, and welcome back again with Oriol on the second part of our season. This time, Oriol, I have a very hard question for you, but I think it's easy to answer. Um, what would be the what would be the persistent storage for pods or any NFS?
Yeah. So in AKS Hybrid, we have kind of two storage classes by default that gets deployed with our platform. We have a default one that gets always installed, and then we have the options to enable a second one. They kind of mimic the same storage classes that we have in AKS for disk-based storage and for file-based storage via NFS or SMB mounted volumes. Okay. The default storage class that gets deployed with AKS Hybrid is a read-write ones that is based on disk touch disks. In AKS Hybrid, it uses VHDX volumes or CSVs on Windows cluster shared volumes, and these would be used for kind of write ones, disks attached to our pods that are not going to be shared amongst different pods, and they are only going to be used by each instance to write their data. On the top of that, we can also enable storage class SMB or NFS based for file shares for read-write many scenarios where multiple pods needs to share a same volume to share configuration data or to be able to save data that can be read and accessed by all the pods. Then we can also have also at our disposal a storage class for that we can install in the AKS Hybrid cluster. And once we have done that, then we can create persistent volume claims that leverage that storage class for mounting SMB or NFS file shares in the similar way that we would have in AKS cluster in Azure for Azure files. Okay, it's using local SMB or NFS file shares in this case. Okay.
Okay, and those file shares or those storage would then be within the virtual disk I'm using on my hypervisor, correct?
Yes, correct. That is
so it
correct.
will not be stored directly on the hypervisor storage. It will always be in the virtual disks.
That is correct. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. That answers our second question from the series, Oriol. Thank you so much, and hopefully see you on our next one.